what too many traders do is they talk about support levels. A stock like Google is not going to trade to a, generally, is not going to trade to a support level. It's so expensive that it's not going to stop at a particular price. That's how we would define a support level. But something like Google is going to trade to a support area because, as you mentioned at the beginning, I thought this was a really good observation from you, that it's hard to trade, it's going to touch a lot of prices. We're not going to expect Google to trade to 29.80 on the nose and then turn around and go back up. It's going to trade near the 29 area, and that might be a couple points above, 3 points above, it might be a couple points below, but we want to sort of around that area start to watch. So that's a really good distinction you're making there between the area as opposed to the level. We might see a level, for instance, in Roblox the other day, 53 was the low after earnings, 53.08 specifically, but that 53 area was a technical support area after earnings. It got below there, it traded down 2 points, it came back up to that 53 area, it turned, and you could have shorted that from that 53 support technical area. Support becomes resistance, so in this case that support became resistance, but that 53 level you could trade off of. With Google, not so much, right? You're really going to have to start thinking about areas. Shark talks a lot about areas as well. He trades a lot of things that don't really just, there's a lot of participants in the stocks he trades that don't just go straight to levels. But this is a super important principle for traders to start looking at in their trading. I mean, am I losing money because I think something should just go to the support level and it doesn't go to this exact support price, and because it doesn't go to this exact support price or hold this exact support price, I hit out of the damn thing and then it goes higher? Or something doesn't go to the exact support price, it trades a little bit higher than that, I don't buy it because I'm looking for the exact support price, as opposed to what you're saying is the support area. I want to see something go to the support area around certain prices. I will pay attention. And in this market that's a little bit that's uncertain, we've been saying that now since the beginning of January, with lots of market participants, with high volatility in a stock, a high beta stock like this, you're not going to make money trading Google talking about a support level. You're going to have to talk about support areas. And I would submit that most traders would make a lot more money when looking at technicals if they turned support levels into support areas and then overlaid some other variables to that to make some pretty good trades. Hey, go ahead and click our subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos that we're producing for you in the trading community. And please take the time to add your feedback in the comment section for what videos you'd like for us to produce next and what you found helpful from this video. From all of us at SMB, train and trade well.